Fit the O-ring to the bottom of the check valve first. Then insert the check valve into the water inlet. Install the plug screw. And tighten it with an electric wrench. 17 mm socket required. Fit the O-ring to the bottom of the check valve first. Then insert the check valve into the water outlet. Install the plug screw. And finally tighten it with an electric wrench. Fit the main water seal gaskets in sequence first. Then install the main water seal. Mount the gasket and support ring. And finish with the rear guide ring and secondary water seal. After all components are installed, refit the pump head to the crankcase. Insert the pump head bolts and tighten them in a crisscross pattern. Tighten all screws completely to finish the pump head installation.